YouTube. This is Lewis Bentley, and we are back. Burping part. The fuck, I don't know. Oh well. You'll see what part it is when you click on the thing. So. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm trying to do loud burps, but this time I usually do loud burps, but I'm trying to do a long burp this time. Okay, that's it. Okay. Oh, I'm getting really full. Oh yeah. It wasn't very loud, but okay, here I go. Okay, that's enough for long burps, not for loud burps. Oh, that was pretty long, technically, for as loud as it was. Major. Oh god, that was a burp inside of a burp. If you didn't notice that, you could replay that. Replay it in slow mo if you want to. Oh, that one was long. That was beast right there. It was a beast. Hold on. Oh man. The sun is always in the way. So. Now for a really loud one. Oh. No, I'm out. I have to eat the air. Oh man, I tried to do the ABCs as fast as I could. ABC. Oh, darn. Okay. Oh, darn. Oh well. Fuck the ABCs. You heard me. Oh yeah, that's right. You heard me. Fuck the ABCs. Check this out. Try this at home. You ready? I dare you to try this at home. I bet you'll blow chunks if you try it. If you know how to burp on command, don't do it because you already know you can do it. If you can't do it, I dare you to try this at home. Don't say I didn't warn it though, but because you will puke. But I dare you to try this. My next burp. No, not that one. Oh, the next one. I just gotta get a lot of air. Try this at home. Oh man, seriously, when I want to burp. I dare you to try this one at home. Oh, come on. Seriously. Okay. Try this one at home. Or maybe this one. Oh, I did try that one at home. Don't try this one, because this one's not bad. No, well. Forget it. I'm just gonna start burping again, no more talking. This time, oh, it's been 9 minutes already, damn. Okay, one last burp. Oh shit! I gotta do that one more time. Okay, one last one. I'm good. So long, guys. This is burping part whatever. I don't care. I'll make another burping video soon. So peace out. This is Luke Bentley. Leave comments at the bottom. And don't subscribe from my channel. See ya. And this was the ultimate burper.